Hi, for this one is special old materials, okay, I showed you before, and I can show you that how you can fill the hole, okay. Hole is very hard to fill it, okay, but you can fix it, okay, you can fix it from inside. And you put wax paper, or you put that cellophane, and you put inside. You can see that I put inside, okay, and I close the hole, okay, and you can see that it's straight. Then I put welding powder cement on the top, okay, extra powder cement that I moved, and you can see that this powder that is come inside. Then I put glue. Okay, and I build it up with welding powder cement. Extra powder that I moved. I build it up again. Okay, just only a little bit. I put glue. Okay, and now that you remove it, you can see I remove it. After 3-5 seconds, where is it my file? Every time that I lose file, you don't see my file. Where is the file? Okay. Okay. Now that this one is file is very bad. Okay, but you can send it, pen it, drill it up, full machinable. And you can see that it's any repairs you can do for 5 seconds. And you can buy our products from our website. Also the same, you can fix it right here. You can see that this one is a problem. Okay, you can fix it, and you can paint it. You can paint it, sand it, full machinable. And amazing that is this product made in Germany. And you can see that you put and you remove it. You put a little powder more. You use glue. If you need more, okay, you put more. Okay, leave it for 5-10 seconds, and you can sand it, paint it, drill it up, full machinable, and you can paint it, and you can see that it's excellent fixed. Any materials you can fix it for 5 seconds. Now you come on our website, that is boatquickcare.com. www.boatquickcare.com. Our phone number 718-379-7482. Any questions, please call me. And this kit you can buy, that is on our website, separate glue, or you can buy kit. If you buy kit, any kit that you save with, that is 20, 30, 40%. Thank you.